How do you feel about the balance between theoretical knowledge and practical skills in the course often?
So I think practical and theory both are balanced well. First, we have been taught theoretical knowledge and then practical, so it helps us to understand all the tiny details of the concept we have been taught. So this is very helpful for us.
So, what motivates you to choose IAG South over other institution for your education in germs and jewelry in wholesale?
So, yeah, actually, when I just had a small research about the institutions for learning gems and jewelry, I came to know that IIG is the best among all the institutions in India because when I just had, a small notes about the jewelry and gems industry, they are partnered with the Lakshmi Diamonds, and that is one of the well-known, kind of brand in South India. So I wish I took this course and I had a wonderful course day in this. Thank you.
How do you rate the quality of instruction and support provided by the faculty at IAG South?
Yeah. Hi, and I would give 10 out of 10 because even after the course, if you have any doubts and regarding any doubts, if you approach to the faculty, they are really friendly.
Hi, I'm DJ Arya. It's not for the first time I'm actually being a part of this IIG. So it's the second time. So it was a beautiful event, and also I see a lot of students are inspired by there are a lot of designs and jewelry designs and everything. I had a wish to do it, but unfortunately, I have become a DJ. But I wish all the best for all the upcoming students. Have a great future for them. Thank you.
So, what makes you to choose IAG South over other institution for your education in gems and jewelries?
ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ತುಂಬ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ.